These are the smallest tires that could possibly fit on this car. And these are the biggest tires that have ever been on a Miata. And we're gonna test every size in between, including literal tank tracks. These tires are barely bigger than my brakes. Here goes nothing, let's find out. We're moving, it's working. Oh, we're off-roading.
You just scraped on this rock. You can see the paint.
Well, where do we go from here? We gotta get more extreme.
I don't think there's anything else to test but this.
Climb this giant hill. And it might literally not be possible.
This seems like a horrible idea.
It really does. Oh my God. Oh my God!
Oh, we did it! No way! I can't believe that.
What? Dude, with some wheel spin and everything. That's so crazy, dude.
Can I go forward?
Down is gonna be burly, but it's all you can do. Yo!
Holy moly! Oh my God! That was seriously nuts, you guys. What do we do next? We gotta find something harder. This thing is a ripper, man. Let's go tear it up.
This is what science is all about. We're getting real data, and the data's incredible.
I don't know about this one. This is really steep. I literally can't see a thing. Oh, we scraped the bottom, but we're doing it.
Beach whale.
Beach whale.
Did you get high centered? It's okay, we'll rock the boat, baby. We'll rock the boat. There it is!
Oh boy.
Yeah!
No way! I feel like we gotta keep going.
Move your feet, lose your seat. I'm driving.
Remember, whatever you break, you have to fix.
Oh, don't worry. Whatever you break, I have to fix.
At least we both have even chance now.
It's easy to forget that I'm driving on the smallest tires I've ever seen. Whoa!
This is the biggest hill yet.
That's a bad idea.
How is it?
You can make it to here and then it drops.
Don't tell him that.
This is bad. No one told me! Spot me this one time. He lets me get up here in the mini Moab.
Dude, it's making it, but it's barely. It's millimeters. Ah! Oh no! This thing is wildly capable. That was
Dude, was stressful. We need to get some bigger tires on this thing.
We gotta do the donut test.
That is legally required.
I can't believe it survived the donut test. Could have shifted to second there, but
It was instantly a red line. These tires did way better than they should have.
the Harbor Freight tires were crazy capable, which just means we have to push these Miata donuts to their limit.
You better impress me with these.
You're always the one telling me to take it easy and not break the car. Now you tell me to go for it?
I'm just overly confident after those 14-inch tires. I think the donuts will do great.
All right, let's go full send. That was a ripper. That was so good.
You swung
Do
that
we still
one.
have tires?
They look like they're tires.
Holy freaking moly. Donuts rule, man. It's so good.
How does it steer?
Pretty good, to be honest. I think they're doing great. Yeah, we gotta find something crazier.
Finding something crazier makes me nervous.
Oh, there's actually some pretty decent rocks. Okay. Oh.
All right, Dylan, this is getting pretty rocky, pretty wild. I think it's time I drove. One of us has a track record of breaking all of our cars.
You're the one that guided me up here to these gnarly rocks. So it doesn't look fun at all. You take it, you break it. Turn to passenger. That wasn't the gnarly part. That was just the parking lot. This is serious off-roading for doing it on spare tires, you guys. Cut very far that way. Oh, that was bad. Oh my God. Dude, that just... Stop. There's a boulder in the way. Let me move the boulder. Whoa, all right, the boulder's clear. You're good. Driver, There you go. You're good.
Dude, the spare tires are working great. Why do we even have this big one?
Oh, why did we take that off? Replace it. Dude, we can fit like all 4 of these on the back of there.
Yeah, exactly. The obligatory donuts with donuts test. See if you can make it all the way in the third.
You might be able to. Let's do it. The donut's donut pretty good. We've been trying all the wheels, but what if the best wheels are no wheels at all? We got a Miata tank. We wanted to mix it up a little bit, so we've got a river and some mud.
One of the badder man pajamas I've ever seen. Let's see what she can do.
Let's lift it up, maybe. Before I used Onyx off-road, I never knew where a trail was going to take me. For example, I'm in a river right now.
That's why we went ahead and downloaded Onyx Elite so that we don't run into mistakes like this.
With Onyx Off-Road, I have access to trail ratings, photos, and reviews from other users.
That way we aren't up a creek without a paddle. Literally, in this case.
And if you're worried about being out of cell coverage, you can download the map and access them offline. It's super helpful for places like this.
And if you ever do get stuck, there's a Find Your Buddy feature where you can send people pins of your location as well as routes of how best to get there.
Download Onyx Off-Road today. Use code RADFACTORY at checkout to get 20% off your Elite membership. Really glad we have a Miata tank right now, otherwise we'd be in a lot of trouble in this river.
Oh my God!
That was so good!
How nervous were you?
Very, very. That was much deeper than I thought.
Oh yeah, dude.
She handled it.
It looks so good!
The tracks are amazing, but they do not pass the donut test. Unfortunately, we can't do any donuts. Is there mud all over my? Yeah, there is.
There's so much.
There's so much.
Dylan, she's spraying or what, dude?
Dylan's complaining he's getting too messy, so I'm gonna jump in.
Mud all over my face. I can't see anything. Somebody else take the wheel for me.
I'm gonna learn from Dylan's mistake. I'm gonna take my clothes off first.
Do not get it stuck.
I'm about Dylan.
So much grip in the back, and there is no grip in the front at all. It's so crazy.
Yeah, there's no turning. It's a 30-point turn every time.
And like, there's not enough power to drift, so you literally have to just like Austin Powers.
We're putting the 40s on very soon, but first...
Uh-oh.
There's stock wheels and tires, but this Miata's anything but stock. Let's go for some big rocks. Need a little bit of guidance, I think.
Today's special, we've got spotters, buy one, get one. I'll hold the camera and I'll spot Dylan and I'll build the car.
This is gnarlier than I thought.
Yeah, it is, and now you stopped on it.
I panicked.
That'll happen.
For stock tires, that is so gnarly.
That looked fun as heck, especially because I could tell you couldn't see anything.
It was terrifying because I don't want to destroy the bottom of the car.
I forgot you don't have four-wheel drive. That's a very different line than a four-wheel drive line. Dylan has no idea what I'm about to send him through, but I think this will work great.
Yeah, that looks pretty gnarly. What are we doing?
It's not nothing.
It's not nothing.
Miata's a ripper, man.
We just gotta go find something bigger, aka 40-inch tires.
This place is a maze. This pretty gnarly little gully.
Oh yeah.
That was actually way scarier than I bet it looked. From in here, it was insane. Gavin took the keys from me again. Time for the donut test. What do you got?
Let's find out.
It's in donuts. Oh, he lost it. It passed the donut test, man. Heck yeah.
Heck yeah, dude.
You know what's next? We gotta do some 40-inch tires on this thing.
Oh, baby. I don't know if they're ready for it.
Let's get this baby rock crawling.
Got to give a huge shout out to Wade, Blue
Thanks,
Hornet
brother.
FPV. He lent us the tires off his Jeep, and we couldn't have done it without him. Make sure and give him a follow. We've got a lot of spacers to make these fit, and they still don't fit that good. The turning is gonna be almost impossible. If we turn, we're gonna destroy our fenders, but we gotta test it for science.
I guess that's why we're here, is see how these 40s do, but it looks crazy. I mean, this looks insane from the front. It looks fake.
I think I'm the most scared on this one, to be honest.
I'm glad to hear that, because this is actually gnarly. Dude, it looks like a spider. It's so gnarly looking. Like, I hope that the video is doing justice for how bonkers this looks. It's insane.
We got a Jeep, boys! Let's go Jeeping!
Oh no! Oh my god.
I was split to the floor.
Yeah, no, you're gonna need to keep momentum.
Yeah. Gotta pin it to win it, baby. We'll see you at the top of the hill.
That little 1.8 is working crazy hard to spin those tires. He's gonna have to carry so much speed just to make it to the top.
All right, here goes nothing.
Not quite enough juice.
It just doesn't have the guts.
It just doesn't have the power. We gotta get up there though.
So close.
So close. I mean, I was floored the whole time.
Yeah. No. No way! He did it! That was insane.
We did it, baby. Heck yeah, I'm so pumped.
These 40s are no joke. Now we gotta see what we can do going down something.
I can't believe we did that. That was real Jeep stuff, man. That was insane.
Well,
You can't see anything in this car.
if you thought that was Jeep stuff, wait till you see the rest of the route.
Where are you taking me right now?
Don't worry, it's a surprise. Go!
That was insane. That was actually so gnarly. That was real rock crawling.
Look at what you just did. The camera cannot do justice for how burly that was. What a little champ. I want you to know it's really steep.
Want to play the game where we switch drivers or no?
Oh man, this is a wall. It's so steep. All right, we'll switch. I'm not happy about it, but we'll switch.
This is by far the scariest one we've done all day. No questions asked. Like everything about it. The giant spacers, the tires, obviously they're capable, but you just don't know when you're gonna get stuck, when you're gonna break a wheel spacer off. But we're sending it, now it's up to you.
Yeah, it's gonna be gnarly. I don't like how cambered this is. So hopefully I can get the front end in before I turn down. It's steep.
Gavin never gets to spend time driving this car unless it's an insane situation like this.
Oh my gosh, the brakes are doing nothing.
They do nothing, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yo, that was butter, he got it.
You couldn't see anything. It was just the top of the roller coaster. It was crazy.
See what's up the top of this? Let's keep mobbing.
Oh, we made it though. It's a real panic when you're foot to the floor. There's nothing happening.
You gotta find more downhills though. That's the key, you just gotta mob it. That worked beautifully. It's a little spider just crawling down this stuff. This was a good one though. All right, send it. Yeah. All right, driver. Yeah!
Oh my god.
That was insane.
Oh, dude.
That was legitimately crazy. We're rock crawling in a Miata.
Oh my gosh, dude. It is loose. Like there's no brakes. The steering is unresponsive. So it's a real finicky beast. But it's working. It's working so good. Like that's a burly little thing. I wouldn't be happy about doing that in my Tacoma.
The key is you just have to smash it. Like,
as long as you don't think about how many spacers are holding this together and you just mash the pedal, money.
dude, that was some of the gnarliest off-roading we've ever done. And it was in a Miata with Jeep wheels. That's insane.
I thought we were gonna be towing this off the trail with some snap spacers.
This was the wildest day we've had in a long time. Thank you guys for watching. Stay rad. We've tried the biggest. We've tried the smallest. Now let's try both and see what happens.
Most of the tricks they be gimmicks, they mimic the truth. It's poison and we got the remedy. There is a bomb, apply it, the fire can stay to the
Bad line, bumper's gone.
Oh no, who was supposed to be guiding me?
I mean, the bumper's still technically attached.